Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Satya from Java Beam. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to install Visual Studio Code into your Windows 10 laptop or desktop. Yeah, Visual Studio Code is belongs to Microsoft, and in short, we can say VS Code, and it's a code editor, and we can say IDE as well. How to install and how can we start working for development? I will show you. Yeah, I am choosing a Chrome browser. You can choose any of your favorite browsers and you can download the Visual Studio Code installation part. So search for VS Code and yeah, you can choose the first link code.visualstudio.com. Visual Studio Code, code editing and redefined. Yeah, this is a code editor. Yeah, here download for Windows or you can go for here download. Yeah, I'm choosing this one. So for Windows 64 user install, I am choosing this one stable. Visual Studio Code executable file setup file is got executed. Uh, so download part is completed. We'll go to the installation part. That is the second step. And if you have some time, you can go through this home page of Visual Studio. Here you can get some useful information. Here, if you want to use for other developments like Python or C++, this you can have to add extensions. So here are the extensions you can download and add to your Visual Studio Code editor. And yeah, here they have given like how to use the Visual Studio Code and the shortcuts. Those will be handy when you start developing. Yeah, let me go to download part. So this is a Visual Studio VS Code user setup and x64.exe. I am double clicking this one to start installation setup. Yeah, here you need to accept the agreement. This is a license agreement. If you want, you can go through this one and click next. Yeah, this is giving like you can observe the path. This is going to install at the users app data local programs and inside the inside the program. So this is a base path. This is not going inside the program files. It is going to particular user local programs. I am keeping the default one. If you want, you can change to other program files or any other folder. Okay, click next, and here to continue click next, and if you like to select the different folder, click browse. So you can choose other folder here as well. And if you don't want to create a start menu folder, then you can check this one. But let me keep that. I want to shortcut in start menu as well, and clicking next. Here it is asking for additional icons like create a desktop icon. I want this one. These things if you want you can keep or you can add later as well, these things. And click next. So basically these are the things it is happening. This is a destination folder and start menu folder as well as desktop icons it is creating, and it is adding the path to your environment variables. And click install. It will start installing. It is very quick. It will be installing in a minute. You can see the installation part. Yeah, completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. If you want, you can launch from here. I don't want to launch from here. I will to go to the shortcut which is created at desktop, and I will use that one. Just click and finish so that the installation part will be completed. So we are done with the installation part. Now, see, this is a shortcut has been created, Visual Studio Code. Double clicking this one, it will open Visual Studio. Yeah, I click twice, probably it is opening two windows. This is a code editor we can use for development like Angular or Python, whatever. There are so many languages it supports. You can go to new file and you can start creating your own file, and you can start developing. And it is very good editor. It will highlight the code syntaxes. That's all for how to install Visual Studio Code into our Windows 10. And please be remember, it is getting installed in some other folder, not into the program files. So this is getting installed inside the app data local programs. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel to get latest updates and alerts. If you want to know anything, any concept, please provide your comments in the below video section, so that I will create a video for you.